everyone, welcome to this video. And lately I've been doing a few reviews on if you're on a budget but you're still trying to get into the tattoo industry but you might not have a lot of money to spend. So I'm trying to do reviews on quality equipment on a budget. Now, Big Wasp are the company which bring you the Hummingbird machines like the Hummingbird Bronc and the Bronc power supply. So I thought this video would be perfect to review the Big Wasp cartridges. So coming up in this video, I'm going to show you what these cartridges are all about. I'm going to discuss the sizes, the prices of them, and then at the end of the video, I'm going to be actually trying them out, doing a live demonstration on skin, doing a tattoo, and then at the very end of this video, I'm going to be giving you guys, the subscribers, an extra 10% discount code to use on Big Wasp products. So with all that said, guys, let's not waste any more time and get straight into it. The needles in these cartridges are made of 304 stainless steel. They come in boxes of 20, all 100% EO gas sterilised and individually packaged in blister packets. Each needle grouping perfectly matches the tip to provide superior ink flow, and every cartridge has a high quality custom rebound safety membrane which prevents backflow of ink and bodily fluids into the machine. So now let's take a look at the different sizes these cartridges are available in. First of all, we've got the liner, and there's a huge selection of sizes, going right down to a 6-gauge 3-round liner, which would even be ideal for semi-permanent makeup and also fine detailed portrait work, and then moving right up to a 14-round liner. These prices range from £15 to £17 for a box of 20. If you notice at the base of the cartridge where the plunger is, each different needle configuration has a different colour, which makes them really easy to identify which particular grouping you're selecting when you're actually working, with the liners being black. Now we have the round mag or the curved mag. Sizes for these range from a 5 curved mag for those delicate little areas right up to a 15 curved mag for maybe something quite big like a back piece. And prices for these range from £15 to £17 for a box of 20. Next we have the yellow, which is the round shader. Again, a great range of sizes, starting at a 3-round shader going right up to a big 14-round shader. And prices for these range from £15 to £17 for a box of 20. Finally, we have the M1 mag, and again a great selection of sizes from a 5 right up to a 15. Price ranges for these range from £16 to £17 for a box of 20. So now we're going to do a quick performance test with these cartridges. I'm just jumping into a little tattoo which I did, a little Pokemon tattoo. And the first cartridge I'm using for this tattoo is an 11-round liner. The machine I'm using there is the Hummingbird Wireless Bronc by Big Wasp. If you want to see a review on this, I'll stick a card up on the screen, but I thought since I'm using the Big Wasp cartridges, I might as well double it up with one of their machines as well. And you can see the lines I'm pulling there are nice and clean, they're nice and solid, nice and saturated. I didn't have any problems at all lining with these cartridges. They seem to deliver the ink nice and evenly to the skin. There was no ink splatter. With some cheaper cartridges, you tend to have the needle not fitting right in the tip, and this results in the needle wobbling around and getting ink splatter all over the skin. But as you can see on this tattoo, I wasn't getting any of that whatsoever, just keeping a really nice clean work area whilst I'm tattooing, just coming down the side of the face there, and you can see it's just putting those lines in, one pass, zero effort, it's just going into the skin, no problems at all. So now I'm just going to switch the needle down to a 3-round liner and then carry on pulling these lines. So these are obviously considerably thinner than the 11-round liner lines, and I chose a design like this just to give you different line weights, just to really showcase what the needles can do. And again with the 3-round liner, no ink splatter, just nice consistent ink flow delivered to the skin, no problems whatsoever. I personally thought these cartridges did do an excellent job. They was nice and precise. Again, there was no wobbling in the tip, it was just a nice snug fit and just delivered that ink to the skin. Just pulling the last one down there now just to showcase that 3-round liner, and then I'm going to switch up to a curved mag. Before we do that, I'm just wiping off. You can see those lines have just gone in really nice there, so I'm switching up to the curved mag. This is an 11 curved mag which I'm putting on, and then I'm just going to dip into a little bit of colour that I'd put onto the design. I'm obviously speeding up the video here because this is not a time-lapse video as such, it's just to showcase different parts of these needles being used. But again, with the mag, encountered no problems whatsoever, no ink splatter, no flooding the ink onto the skin, just delivering nice even ink to the skin. I did say at the beginning of this video that was a wireless Bronc machine. It is a wireless machine, but I'm obviously using it as wired for this tattoo, because you've got the option to transform it from wireless to wired. So I've obviously hooked up the clip cord for this particular example. And finally, I'm just shading off some colour, just trying to show you different techniques with the needle really. And we've got some nice soft pink in the design as well. So that was the Big Wasp cartridges in action. So time for my personal conclusion. I do think these cartridges are very well made. I like that they've got the added safety membrane, which some cartridges that are made even today still don't have it. So well done to Big Wasp for including that. They've got a really large selection of sizes, so you're not going to struggle really for any jobs that you're going to be tattooing. I have noticed in the past when I've used budget cartridges that the actual plunger seems to be a little bit stiff and it can add added strain on your machine. And I'm pleased to say that these don't do that. They've just got the right amount of pressure on the plunger, so it's not going to damage your machine either. So I did say at the beginning of this video, guys, I've got a discount code for you, the subscribers, for an extra 10%. So just follow these really simple instructions to get your 10% discount. So to get your extra 10%, guys, follow these really simple instructions. You can either type this link into your browser, or to make it even easier for you, if you scroll down into this video's description box, I've made a clickable link which will take you directly to the Big Wasp website. Once there, you don't have to bother with the email offer because I've already got a discount code for you. So simply add all the goodies to your basket. In this case, I'm going to treat myself to 4 boxes of 20 cartridges. So I'm just going to add some random boxes into my basket there. And once you've added everything, go to checkout, and at the checkout you'll find a discount code box. Enter Jono Smith and this will give you a further 10% on all your products. This discount code doesn't just apply to the cartridges, it applies to the whole product range on the Big Wasp website. Also guys, it's worth noting, if you're worried about postage times, EU customers get sent packages direct from the US offices, which only take 3 to 5 days. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and if you did like it, it means the world to me if you take a second out right now, smash that like button, let me know that you've liked the video, drop your comments in the box below, let me know if you've used these or thinking about using them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check that notification bell to stay up to date with all my latest uploads. With all that said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.